Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Gyan. Hello friends, in this video we'll see how to use ChatGPT. In case you are the new user for ChatGPT, this video is very important for you because in the coming time ChatGPT and other AI tools will be very important in order to sustain in IT field. So as you can see, first I have searched ChatGPT on Google and I have opened the URL. Now in case you do not have any login already for ChatGPT, then please click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, it will ask for your details like your email address. Enter your email address and click on continue. When you click on continue button, it will take you to the further screen and you need to enter other details like your password. So I already have the access. So what I'll do, I'll click on the login page, login hyperlink, which you can see at the bottom. So after creating your account, you can also go to the login page by clicking on the login URL, which is there at the bottom. So once you click on the login, you'll have to enter your email ID and password which you have created, and then click on the continue. So as soon as you click on continue, you will be logged into the ChatGPT home screen. So here you can see there is one text box which mentions send a message. This is the place where you can ask questions to ChatGPT. So let us say if we ask first question that give me names of latest cars and I need these in a tabular format. So I need all the cars, latest ones, which are launched in 2023 in a tabular format. So let's say we need cars launched in India. So you can see it has started generating the response. So it's just preparing the list in the table format, and it has also added columns like car model, brand, launch date, features. So by this you can get all the details related to the new launched cars in 2023. And so like if you want to make any decision making, so based on these responses you can also decide. So in the above table, what I'm asking now is to add the average price as well, because price was missing, which is one of the important factors while making your decisions. So now you can see that it has also added another column at the end called average price, and it's mentioning the average price of each and every car which was there in the table. So now it's very easy to copy paste this data from here into an Excel table and sort it, or means you can format it in any way, and even you can, if it's a factual data, then you can also prepare graphs over it and format it in a report form as well. So it's very easy, like you can just copy the whole table as it is in Excel. Suppose I have formatted the sheet name as cars and I have copied all the data related to the cars in Excel. Now let us switch to another question. Let's ask something else to ChatGPT. So let's say now we ask ChatGPT to give a list of books. Okay. So I've written, please give me a list of books published in 2023. So I'll ask what all the details I need in the table. So suppose I need publisher name, writer name, and also maybe average price in a tabular format again. So it's easy to copy in Excel if there is a tabular format. So now you can see that ChatGPT is not available for each and every question. Here you can see it's saying that for this data, it has the cut of knowledge till 2021 only, and I asked for 2023, so it's not able to provide me these details. So there are, AI is there, but means you cannot blindly trust on these AI softwares. So as you can see, there are some things which are limited. Like means AI is limited to. It also has some knowledge limitations as well. It's not like Google that will give you crawl across the web and give you the data. It's only giving you the data which is already fed in its database, or whatever data points it can access and collect the data from there, only it can provide you the data. And also I've seen that at certain places, not uh, means a lot of areas, but in certain areas, when I asked the questions, they were not fully correct. So let's ask another question. Please provide a list of sequel books and publisher. Now we are going to be a little more specific. Let's see what answer we get. So you can see, if you ask little specific questions, it has started giving the answer. But just saying books was a very wide search for, I think, this, and we also specified the year. So that was one thing which it was not able to search for me. Now here also it is mentioning that the cutoff date is 2021. So it will show all the books which were published before 2021. So it is given the data in a very good tabular format, and we can easily utilize this data by copying it into Excel sheet. So here we are creating another sheet and copying the data into that. Let me name it as sequel books. So what else, what other experiment we can do with ChatGPT? Let's see. Uh, Maybe we can say write a story, small story of 200 words. Okay, so let me give some topic. On the topic, help others. So we can see it has started writing the story. So usually for all the content writers, it's very easy now to generate content. Although you cannot blindly just rely on it, you'll have to read it, maybe tweak it a little bit wherever required. So in the same way, like in the story, suppose if I want to insert some keywords, like in content writing, we do have a requirement to insert keywords. So let's see if it works correctly or not. So I am giving some keywords like help others, and we can give some others as well, like be helpful, and let's give one more. um, Maybe we can give help the needy. Okay, I think also let me give that each keyword should appear 3 times in the story, and also let's say it should be highlighted. I'm not sure if it will be able to give us these answers, but let's try it once. So it's writing the story again. Let it write the whole story, then we'll copy it in our notepad, and then we'll try to search the keywords. So in that way we'll get to know whether the keywords are there or not, and the number of times the keywords are there. So all those details we can get to know once we copy the story in notepad and try to search those keywords. So let me select the whole story, And let me open a notepad and copy the story there. Now we can easily search whether the keywords are there or not. So first keyword is help others. Let me try to search it. Exact keyword, it's there, but it's only once, it's not 3 times. Okay. Next keyword is be helpful. Now be helpful keyword is not there, but you can see in the last line only there is a keyword similar kind, being helpful. But yeah, exact keyword it has not used, so that's fine. Now the last keyword which we gave is help the needy. This one also exactly the same keyword is not there, but you can see it's help, extending and helping hand to the needy. So similar kind of keyword it has used, but not exactly the same kind. And also it has it has used just once. Those keywords it has used once, not 3 times as I requested in the chat. But it's fine, like means this much help is also fine, but yeah, it's still improving. I believe it will keep growing towards the perfection with time, because a lot of people are using it, a lot of people are providing the feedbacks, and means the tool is getting improved day by day. So now let's try to search some images. I'm not sure if images it can search, maybe it can provide some links, but let's see, I'm not sure. Okay, so here it's not able to provide any image links. Because previously once I searched images, so I think at that time also I didn't get the correct response. So let's try. I need 10 images of Barack Obama. Let's see. Okay, now it started giving the description of the images, but it's not giving me the links of the images. Okay, that's fine. Means that is also one of the limitations, that it is not able to provide the images as we do get in Google. Let me specify that I need URLs for each of them. So now it's saying that we need to go to Google Images or Bing Images. Okay, I think that is due to the copyright laws and all. Previously, once or twice, I remember when I was using ChatGPT and I tried to ask for the links, it gave me a lot of URLs, and most of them were the copyrighted images. So I think there might be some issues related to that, so that's why they have stopped, means restricted that part to provide any copyright image links. So that's fine, means we should respect the copyright laws and everything. So now I think this is pretty much for this video. Please do tell me whether you liked the video in your whether you like the video, any suggestions, any updates, please do tell me. Thank you.